Right here is the brief video for igneous rocks. Again, we're going to talk about how it forms, what are the different types, and real-life uses. How it forms: it's a cooling of magma or lava. It always involves a volcano, and that's whether it is underground or above ground. So here is volcano, and the inside, this is the magma chamber. And if the volcano does not erupt and that magma is just in there and then it hardens, this is when we get intrusive rocks, because it's inside the volcano. It cools slowly, and the longer it takes for the minerals to cool and to crystallize, the larger they're going to be. Larger crystals. And that means that they are coarse grained. The outside here, when it reaches the air, that's when it's called lava, and then it flows out here depending on the kind of volcano it is. It either flows or it's shot and then it lands somewhere else. So this is lava when it's outside. This forms extrusive rocks. This cools fast, and the longer that it takes, their larger crystals. So if this is really fast, they're fine grained. That means that they are very, very small, if at all, if there are even any crystals in there. Of igneous rocks, we have intrusive, inside the volcano, which is called magma. They cool slowly, large, and the example would be granite. Extrusive, outside. Small crystals, if there are even any of them. Examples of this would be obsidian, which is that pretty black rock, or pumice with all of the gas bubbles. They just hardened because that gas was taking so long to come out, or it just cooled without all of that gas being able to get out. So that's why it has all of those little holes in the pumice. The real life uses: granite is used for decoration on the front of the building. The front of buildings. It can be used for gravestones, or it can be used for kitchen counters. We can also have basalt, which is an extrusive rock that is used for concrete, so building materials kind of. Pumice is also an extrusive rock. They actually use little bits of that in toothpaste to help clean and brighten your teeth. They actually use it for denim jeans. They wash it with those rocks, and it kind of loosens up the jeans and make them a little bit, they take kind of like the color out of them and make them a little bit looser. Also for cement. Diorite can be used for buildings and statues. And obsidian, that really pretty black rock, or the snowflake obsidian one that we saw, is used for actually arrowheads. And here are some nice pictures of some igneous rocks. This one is pumice. They can come in a lot of different colors, but you can tell they have all these little holes in here from the air bubbles. It cooled so fast it couldn't even let all of that air escape. This one's obsidian. This one is granite. This is also granite.